Hi all my Project Pan friends, I'm happy to see you here, and today I'm going to give you an update of my Project Pan 6 months. So the previous months, January, I finished my powder, so now I have only 5 items in this Project Pan, and the first one is the Pixie by Petra Glow Booster. I haven't used this month. Next item is a Bar Minerals Warmth sample size. I put it in this jar. I used this at the beginning of the month, but now I am not using this because too pale for this, but there are some progress definitely, but it's hard to measure this progress. Next item is the Essence Camouflage 10 Nude Concealer. It's also hard to measure progress because it's fluctuating all the time when I'm using this concealer, but I'm using this every day, and I think I will finish it very soon. Next item is a MAC Eyeliner Kajal Photogravure. I've been using this every day in February, and I have a little progress, like 1 millimeter of the progress in this pencil, but at least I have progress. And the last item is MAC Luster Lipstick Naked Boot. I've been using this, and I also have about 1 millimeter of progress on this item, but at least I have some progress, and I consider to continue to use this because it's very natural color. This lipstick, MAC Lipstick Luster, they are very good moisturizers also. It was my progress. Give this video likes if you like this, and subscribe. Let's be friends, and leave me a comment if you also are doing a Project Pens. And see you again. Bye.